Hey everyone, and welcome back to the MonoVM channel. Today, we're diving into the world of webmail security and showing you exactly how to configure an SSL certificate for your subdomain. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ensure safe and encrypted communication for your email. Let's get started. First, log into your MonoVM DomainCP dashboard. You can easily log into your DomainCP using the link in the caption. Click on Email in your control panel. Then click on Manage Email. In the window that opens, click on the Mail tab and select Install Certificate. The Install Webmail Certificate page will open. Close this window for now. Go to the Client area of MonoVM. Navigate to Portal Home, then Client area, then My Products and Services, and finally Product Details. Click on Create New CSR. In the open window, fill in the fields with your valid information, as shown in the video. Click OK and wait for the CSR to generate. Click on Download CSR key pair, and save the private key on your PC, then click Submit CSR. Now send the CSR to the certificate authority. On the next page, you'll be asked to choose a method for domain control validation, or DCV. In this case, we'll choose to send an email to the admin email address associated with the domain. This will send a verification email to the admin email address under your domain name to confirm domain ownership. Click on the Submit Validation Request button. You should see a success message. Return to Manage Email and click Manage Users/Accounts. You should see your newly created email address listed here. Open a new tab and enter your webmail address in the address bar. Log in with your username and password. Open the email titled Domain Control Validation for webmail.yourdomain.tld. Click on here to verify your domain. Copy the code displayed and paste it into the window you opened earlier. Click Next and close the window. Go back to your product details page and refresh it. Click Download Certificate and extract the downloaded file. Open the downloaded file and navigate to the Linux underline bundle folder. Open the CRT file matched with your domain name and copy its content. Go back to the Domain Control panel, select Manage Email, click on Mail, and then click Install Certificate. Paste the certificate and your saved private key, and click on Install to install the certificate successfully. Close the window and go back to Manage Email. Click on the Mail tab and choose Install Certificate. Copy the CNAME entry displayed. Go to DNS Management and click on Manage DNS. In the window that opens, click on the CNAME Records tab. Find Webmail Record, click on it, and then click Modify Record. Paste the copied CNAME value and click Modify Record again. Your status should show as active. Go to your webmail address under your domain name and load it with HTTPS protocol, then click on the lock icon. Verify that it says Connection Secure. Click More Information and View Certificate to see the certificate details.